Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Siyawubona umbuzo lana, ngicela ukubuza ngale trend kaVilakazi being linked with overseas move. Is it true? Yes, it is true. uVilakazi bayamfuna overseas, or at least they've inquired about him. Angithi udlale kahle kakhulu laphana ku-World Cup le beyibanjwe laphana eChile bafethu. Ngike ngakhuluma ngayo lento le few days back. Bayamfuna uVilakazi, but I don't think Kaizer Chiefs izomthengisa because Kaizer Chiefs iyawathanda ama-development wabo and bayafuna ukubenzela iplan ukuthi babagcine for isikhathi eside. I was listening to umuntu weKaizer. In fact, I was having a conversation nomuntu waku-marketing lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs angi-explainela ukuthi benza izinto kanjani. They always wanna keep abafana ababadevelopile laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukumake sure ukuthi kunabantu lesi abayi-6-7 ethimini aba-understand i-culture ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Barun i-Kaizer Chiefs ngalokuthi kube ne-structure ukuthi laba baba-develop. i-Kaizer Chiefs, they've always run it like that ukuthi kube nabantu aba-understand i-culture ye-Kaizer Chiefs abakhulela under-development. Even ku-technical team, funny enough, manje ku-technical team ubheka abantu ba-overseas kuphela or ba-abroad kwamanye ama-countries, not South Africans, because they would have, let's say, uBaxter, but ebhentshini mawubheka ama-assistant or abanye abasebenza close naye ama-locals, abantu abakwazi ukubridge igap. Yes, uMfundo Vilakazi bayamfuna overseas bafethu. I remember yazi abantu abamarket uMfundo Vilakazi too much. Even ama-commentator laphana bewamkhuluma kahle kakhulu, asho ukuthi uyi-star nasezweni lakubo. So ama-agent obviously they noticed him. Ngikhumbula mangikhuluma ngoVilakazi few days back, ngoba ngiyayiphinda lento le cause ngibona i-question. Mangikhuluma ngayo uVilakazi, bengithi akusuVilakazi kuphela abamfunayo, ngize ngabala no-Eden McCarthy ukuthi no-Eden McCarthy bayamfuna, noMshabalala bayamfuna. Just Kaizer Chiefs yayi-rejecta kaShabalala, bavele bathi no, akayi lapho. uShabalala yena bamfuna e-Austria. I spoke about it 2 days back, yeah, bamfuna e-Austria. Yeah, i-Kaizer Chiefs izobhekana ne-problem enkulu because of abadlali bayo bayabafuna. But yazi i-Kaizer Chiefs yenzeni? uMcCarthy immediately mabamfuna and then they sat down with him, yena nobabakhe, with the agents and stuff, bathi bafuna uku-improve i-contract yakhe ukuthi bamnike isalary engcono ukuthi umfana naye abe ne-reason yokuthi ahlale ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Noma kuza i-team bakwazi ukumthengisa ngemali ethe xaxa, kube ngconywana ukuthi okay, bayamluza umfana but abamluzi just nje, bamluza kuna something tangible vele abayitholayo. So yeah, yizo izinto abadila nazo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. And yabo, that is why i-progression is very important, ukuthi kube nabafana abaningi laphana ku-DDC team ababapromothayo. Lese bapromotha boma-10 every season, bazi ukuthi abanye bayamuva, abanye bayahlala, bangakwazi ukuphila ukurun i-Kaizer Chiefs ngabafana baku-DDC team ngoba ba-super talented. Masingabala nje abafana abafew ukuthi hlezi sibabala njalo. Imagine laphana emuva unoMcCarthy, unoNdamane, ku-left back now ama-option wabo uNkwesa, and then unoXolani Xhosa, lo bamlonile manje uyelena what is this country, useBotswana. Then ku-right back banawo ama-player like angakhompitha ku-right back. I'm still thinking of ku-right back ukuthi ubani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but either way. And then ku-midfield abanabo abantu baningi, obuThulani Touch Mabaso, oNgcobo bakhona, oVilakazi, lese uVilakazi umbekeza number 10, uShabalala ukhona, ku-striker nangu uHlongwane, and then-ke even emasayidini so baningi abadla, uPhuso Dithejane omdaka kuboma-right, ubani umdaka kuboma-right back, left back. So i-DDC team yabe powerful, and into esipruvelayo ukuthi i-DDC team yaku-Kaizer Chiefs i-powerful, not just i-DDC team, i-development yabo even boma-under 15. Kunomfana lo manje bafowethu, is one of the hottest properties ebholeni lase-South Africa. Why? Because ufusha amagoli amaningi kakhulu laphana ku-under 15, and akusiwuye kuphela, khona omunye naku-under 14. They are creating even laphana ku-GDL. Mawungababukela bafowethu, abafana bakhona ku-Kaizer Chiefs aboma-under 15, 14, bayadlala abafana. Khona-ke lo uTiamo Musana bafowethu, ukore amagoli. Cabanga this season ushaye in 3 games, ushaye 4 goals laphana ku-GDL yakhona ku-top 8, and then elikini ushaya amagoli, cabanga, u-57 kuma-game awu-31 kuphela. Cabanga, imagine this. So ithalente elikanje emele bazame ukuli-protector, bakwazi ukuthi ngelinye ilanga lizoba laphana ku-senior team. But-ke bona banama-talent, banama-superstars amaningi laphana akhulayo, but-ke abanayo lowo bridge nokubhrija, abanayo lowo bridge wokuthi abafana babe right ukuthi nalaba uShabalala if bayamfuna uShabalala i-team ezomholela kangcono bakwazi ukumreleasa simple, but I don't think uVilakazi bazomreleasa. Ngibona i-first starting 11 e-Kaizer Chiefs versus Polokwane City reserve side yabo. Angibona ama-interesting names laphana ku-first starting 11. uMendezi uyobakorele laphana igoli labo bafowethu, early goal for i-Kaizer Chiefs. uMendezi umfana lo beka e-Europe, I can't remember if bese-Sweden or I think it's Sweden if angilenzi iphutha, but ubuyile ku-Kaizer Chiefs laphana ku-DDC team. Umfana mncane, still a teenager, possibly the future for Kaizer Chiefs or ufuna ukuya overseas since ayikwazile ukuthesta impilo ya-overseas kancane. And then-ke ucaptain uThulani Touch Mabaso esimlindile laphana ku-first team ukuthi bamnike i-opportunity, uyi-captain uyaba-leader laphana. uNkwesa naye ukhona, uba-uThula abafana bane-contract ne-first team. uHlongwane is missing again, mhlawumbe uHlongwane le injury yakhe-ke angisazi bafowethu, because I thought last he came back, namhlanje akekho, asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngempela ngoHlongwane. Nothing was reported or said about him. Mhlawumbe uphinde wathinteka futhi, if ulimele futhi that's sad, cause-ke bayamdinga laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, especially ku-DDC team njengoba bazohamba nge-25 November bayele eNgilandi. He cannot afford uyigeja leya trip leya, kumele akwazi ukuhamba ukuthi ayoziprova even nalena eNgilandi. You never know ukuthi kungenzekani ngempela. I'm also seeing uLokhunjana uTimba bafethu, Sifiso Timba odlala ku-under 20, ama-champions bekhona nalaphana ku-World Cup, so i-squad esi-solid for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Then khona uMokoena bafethu, uMokoena siyamazi uMokoena umfana laphana ugoalkeeper, usebhentshini, but usebhentshini uMokoena. Ulo betravele ne-team ayele eDurban noma ngithi eThekwini that time, njengoba bebadlala laphana eThekwini neDurban City, bekhona umfana, was one of the travelling squad ayeleni eThekwini, but manje is back laphana ku-DDC team. I don't know iplani le-Kaizer Chiefs ngoMokoena ukuthi baplaneni ngaye, but-ke uyaba ne-first team aphinde adrope to ilona i-reserve side. I don't know ngempela iplan because of laphana banabo goalkeeper uPeterson, ovuma uNtwari ku-on and off for i-Kaizer Chiefs-ke kubonakala ngathi i-future yakhe ne-Kaizer Chiefs ayisekho because of yena ne-technical team kuthiwa abazwani kahle. Njengoba ngike ngasho ukuthi uNtwari ngike ngambona laphana eDobsonville, ngambona afihlile nokufihla afaka iy'buko, but-ke I don't think uNtwari kusasena something yakhe laphana eKaizer Chiefs because of akalimelanga, u-right 100%, but there's something just off about yena ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Kumele bakwazi ukusolve iy'nkinga zabo behind the scenes, babe ne-way forward kuze kube ne-plan. iKaizer Chiefs yazi ukuthi okay, they're sticking with uNtwari or they're letting him go, and then bakhuphula umfana uMokoena ukuthi kuzoba uye laphana I think unumber 4, because isikhathi esiningi baba no-goalkeeper abawu-4, so it would be uPeterson, uVuma, uNtwari, and then bekuba uMolive, but uMolive ugoalkeeper number 4 wabo struggle ngama-injuries, bengekho laphana. So ejimini bekujima uPeterson, uVuma noMokoena, yes, yibo goalkeeper bebejima. Bengingazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoNtwari that time, but-ke manje sokuphumile ukuthi uney'nkinga ne-Kaizer Chiefs, but lo akumstop ukuthi ajime, possibly sokwazi umbona ejimini or sekayajima already ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Just kumele basolve izinto zabo ukuthi basazomdlalisa, if bamdlalisa bamdlalisa kanjani, if abamdlalisa abasamdlalisi, and then ngoJanuwari bamenzele i-plan because of kuney'ndaba ukuthi ngoJanuwari they're gonna make sure ukuthi uyayishiya i-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke bahlulekile ukumhambisa, i-transfer market ivuliwe bafethu ukuthi bakwazi ukumhambisa, but they failed. So yeah, man, I don't really think that une-future, considering the fact that bafowethu uLokhunjana already akadlalanga for isikhathi esithi, for almost a year akadlalanga before adlala ku-Carling Knockout. And uPeterson, to be honest bafowethu, uvimba kahle kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs, undisputed number 1 at the moment. And ngapha yena uNtwari, yena ne-coach yakhe laphana eRwanda bafila ngathi uNtwari kumele adlale, yibo abamoshayo uNtwari bafowethu, but is better than no-goalkeeper abalaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, kumele adlale. Kwasha kwacima, and then naye-ke ubona ngathi is bigger than uPeterson. Peterson unama-clean sheets, to be fair, like he might maybe ejimini might be better than uPeterson or the way ababona ngakhona, but simbonile uNtwari siyamazi, hayi ukuthi phela simazi, siyamazi uvimbile against iBafana Bafana. Imatch enkulu la bekumele aziprove khona, azi-announce khona kuma-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ababonise ukuthi ba-wrong ukuthi bangamvimbisi. Guess what? Amagoli awu-2 i-giveaway. Could not parry ibhola nje alithi bha lishaye ngesandla. Lithintile kuye but-ke isandla sakhe besingekho strong. Yeah, but-ke you don't just become a bad goalkeeper overnight. Uyidinga i-confidence ukuthi ulokhu udlala.